Articles. A and the. A. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant. Consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Some of the examples are a cow, a tree, a rose, a watch, a house. An. An is used before a word that begin with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. The sounds of the vowels are a, e, o, a. Examples are an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. The. It is used to refer particular or specific nouns. Example, the sun, the moon, the Taj Mahal, the sky. Fill in the blanks with correct article. A and the. I eat dash apple every day. Very good. An. I eat an apple every day. Dash sun is very hot. The sun is very hot. I have dash small cat. I have a small cat. Dash stars are far away in dash sky. The stars are far away in the sky. Dash grass is green. The grass is green. I want dash ice cream. I want an ice cream. Pro tip. If you see the first letter as vowel, you write an. And if you see the first letter as consonant, you write a. Thank you for watching. For more such interesting and educational videos, please like, share and subscribe Tutorpedia.72.